Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ford Edge ST, one of my favorite new Fords available. You know, the one with the locked doors, that one. I'm an idiot. Oh my goodness, the wind. Absolutely awesome interior. I'm going to try to mitigate wind noise. It's going to be bad. All I have to do is read the window sticker and it'll be good. Actually, I can probably read it from here. Star white, nice. Ebony leather with suede perforations right here. Total price of $50,635. Ford Performance on the kick plate. That Ranger sounds good. Faux carbon, might be real carbon. An absolutely beautiful steering wheel. Now, one of the features of the new Edge, or of the Edge, is finding parking. We're going to go ahead. Actually, I should demonstrate how I did that. There's a P right here. Press that. If you want parallel park, get you out of a parallel parking space. So I'm going to demonstrate parallel parking because we might have enough space between these two trucks. Maybe not. If it doesn't find one, alright, so it's gonna have me drive forward, stop, put it in reverse, let go of the steering wheel. Now this is a makeshift parallel parking spot. And you're in. Shift to drive. Alright, so it's going to be temperamental. Yeah, because it's not a real parallel parking space, it doesn't really like it. But, you know what? We make do. I mean, I don't know of any parallel parking spots around here on our lot, so it does do perpendicular too, which I demonstrated that, but I wanted to try parallel parking because that oftentimes is a little bit more difficult for people. Put it into sport, hitting the S in the middle of the rotary. Throttle response, definitely very, very crisp. This has a lot of pep too, tons of torque. I believe this is an EcoBoost V6. Do not take my word on that. I'll have to double check the sticker, but you know what? Yeah, 2.7 V6. All right, I'm good. It's a very, very fun vehicle to drive. I owned a Focus ST, and I was very, very weary, kind of worried that they were just using the ST name for whatever now. But in fact, this has the performance pedigree, or I should say the performance, because it hasn't won any races that I know of. It has the performance to be a proper ST. It is properly quick, and it sounds absolutely amazing for an SUV. Competitors with the Edge itself, there's no real competitors here. Maybe the CX-5 Turbo. That's kind of the vibe I'm getting. Oh my goodness. Oh, this thing hauls. And it hauls more than groceries. I am a huge fan of this vehicle. It is just that good. Oh my god. This has no right to be as quick as it is. I actually really prefer this over the Explorer ST. It is just properly quick. To the point where you really can't use the power all that often. Now keep in mind, the test route that I use is on our property, so I don't go insane, and it's a new car, so you really can't. But man, it is just absolute insanity how quick this thing is. It definitely feels on par with the Focus ST. Definitely on par with that. Oh, this thing's a proper weapon. Take it out of sport, kind of chill, and then we'll try the bumpy road and we'll wrap up this video. It is, the Edge ST is just an absolute joy to drive. My favorite ST I've driven. And it's weird to say that for a crossover, but it's that good. It is that good. is a proper weapon, honestly. Well, you might not be setting any track records. It wasn't designed for that. It's supposed to be a daily driver, a fun, enthusiast daily driver. And it absolutely excels at that mission. It's fun, it's fast, it sounds pretty good. Even from the outside, it's not just all pumped in. It sounds very, very good. I'm impressed. I'm thoroughly impressed. Awesome job, guys. Awesome job, Ford. Take it in reverse. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you all in the next one.